He's here on Super Bowl day. Super Bowl is happening. Here he comes. Hello. Hi. Can I have number 17 and let me think. And this. Wait, is it the bubble cup? Yes. Oh wait, never mind. Then number 17.
Yeah.
Wait, I only have $5.09.
That's okay.
Yeah,
Why did you put it?
Yeah, 17. The music box. Thank you. Can you change the song to number 1?
Number 1?
Yeah. That's the speaker I showed. Yeah. Bye. Huh. Why does he have Amazon on there? That's weird. Hold on. I gotta record the other side. Wait. He needs to add more decorations. Bye. That's nice meeting you.